Hi people, I'm working on a lot of 3D models each month, and each month I need to deliver at least 2 mini figurines to my patrons. Right now I'm working on Iron Man, and most of my figurines are done in Fusion360, as you can see in my previous videos, but sometimes I need to add more details that I just cannot do inside Fusion. In case of this Ghost Rider, I had to export it and bring it to Zbrush so I can do hair and some tweaks on the body, which made him actually much better. And I was really happy with all the details that I have applied to this one, so I decided to not only print it in this multi-material version and also make it really big so I can keep it in my office. In the meantime, I got a lot of red filament that I wanted to use for something, and one of the things that I wanted to print was my first mini dude, my Hellboy. But I've noticed that it doesn't have a lot of details. When I was doing that one, I wanted to keep everything simple, just, oh, it has some dust and stuff on it. I wanted him to be simple, but now if I want to scale it up, it's just gonna look ridiculous. I have this multi-material version that Roman sliced, and it also looks nice. It looks clear, but in one color I just needed something that's gonna be much better. So I've opened my original Mini Hellboy file. I just wanted to grab it and export it to Zbrush. I remember that because it was the first one, it had a lot of bad design choices that I have fixed in my new models. First one was the crotch area. This version needed support underneath, and all of the other had much smoother curves, so in theory they could be printed without any support. And that was the first thing that I have tweaked. Another thing was the tail. I have seen a lot of prints made by you guys, and tail haven't survived in, let's say, more than 60% of those prints. It was just way too long and kind of ridiculous, so I wanted to make in this version something much simpler, and this is what I did. After that, I just grabbed all of the pieces and just throw it into Zbrush, and I started sculpting this thing. So this is the updated version of Hellboy. And this one too. Old one, new one. that's it for today. I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, please hit that like button, and if this box is still red for you, just press it and subscribe. Also, you can hit the bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I'm releasing a new video. And if you have any kind of suggestions, please write me in the comments below. As always, I really hope I'm gonna see you next time. Bye. This is